Hi everyone, so this is, I'm unboxing my skates. So these are the Roces, they came from Italy. Just trying to, I'm on my floor here at my place and just trying to maneuver the opening of the box itself. So that's the outer box, okay, and then this is the inside box. Yay! So here it goes. So this is how they look. So they're purple and yellow. The frame's white, and they have the label, the brand logo, and then the wheels that come with them. I'm sure there's two different types here. Don't know much about the details here, but I'm sure somebody out there can tell me a little bit more. But I wanted to make sure everybody sees them. Yay. And this is the other one. Yep. So that's what it is. And then I'll take a picture of them.